Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to log out and sign out of your account on YouTube from your phone. So guys, the bad news is that you actually can't sign out. I don't know why they've done it this way, but yeah, in order for you to sign out, you will need to completely remove and sign out of your Google account entirely from your phone. Or you can also use a incognito mode. For example, you just turn it on, and as you can see, your account is now not being used. You're not being tracked or recorded. Your history isn't being captured either. And you can use, for example, YouTube from a blank slate. If you do want to log out, however, we need to go back to our settings. So you open up your settings, then you search for your Google account in here. You go to Google, and in here you just need to sign out. And pretty much you just log out of your account entirely on your phone, and your YouTube will be logged out as well. Enjoy guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.